This video is to demonstrate how to create a Pully model. As you can see in this drawing, you need to follow all the dimensions given by this drawing, apart from the chamfers and the round, which has to be decided by yourself. Let's start the solid edge. We first use extrude and make sure it's the coincident plane selected here. And select the reference plane. Use the circle by center point command, click, and move to the center, click, and enter 24, the box, type return, click on close sketch, and enter 18 in the box, return, finish, click on the reference plane again, click on the circle by center point command again. We're going to draw a large circle here, same center, click, drag away without holding mouse button down, type 80, turn, and not holding mouse and move your mouse to click, close sketch, and move mouse back. Here in the box, we type 12, turn, right, click on finish. So we have finished the shape of the Pully. Then we need to actually make a hole in the middle. It's a cut command. Click on the front plane. We use circle by center point again. Move to the center of the reference system. Click, drag away. The diameter here is 14. Enter. And move to the close sketch. Click and move back. You can see, make sure here symmetric extent is selected. Then enter 18 in the box. Press enter. You have the hole made here. Right. Then click on finish. We continue to use a cut to cut another hole in the plate because the Pully has 5 holes around. So we go to use the circle by center point again. Move to the vertical line when it's highlight anywhere around this area. You don't have to specify the distance at this stage. We can do that after the circle is created. Click. Then in the box, we put a 20 according to the drawing. Right click, move to this dimension choose, set the distance between, click, and move to the circle first, get the center, and go to the center, click, and move to the horizontal line, click, drag that horizontally, click. The distance here is 24 because on the drawing, the pitch circle is 48. Right, press enter and go to close sketch. Then we extrude this hole symmetrically. The distance is 12. Okay, then finish. We have a 1 hole on this one, then we can add more holes, total 5 holes, using a pattern command. Okay, click on this command. Okay, then move to the hole. When this hole is highlighted, indicate this is the masked hole. Click, move to this green tick to confirm that is the masked feature you want to do the pattern. Sometimes you may have more than one. So once that's done, then you make sure this is a coincident plane selected and click on this reference plane. Here, you need to select appropriate pattern. So you need to use this circular pattern. Then you move to the center. Again, click and drag toward to this circle. When it's highlighted, click. And now you need to actually enter count as a 5. It was 4, I believe it's a 5 now. So press enter. Then you move back to click on this blue arrow. You'll see 1, 2, 3, 4 spots plus another one here. So we have a 5. And click on the close sketch and click on finish. You can see all 5 holes are there. Right. The last step here for this demonstration is to cut the groove on the edge of the pulley. The command we use is the revert cut. We used this one before. Click this command. Remember to click this reference plane, the reference plane perpendicular to the pulley, either this one or this one, but not this one, not the one you draw the profile. Okay, click that one. And we go continue to use circle by center point to create a groove here, circular groove here. To this top line, when it's in the middle, click and leave the mouse button key and drag away into 8 as the diameter. Press return and then don't press mouse button key and move to the close sketch. Right, that happened is because I haven't assigned the axis for revolution. So close this one, go here to select the axis of revolution command and move your mouse to the horizontal axis and click. Then we do this again. Right, you'll see this extended angle. But if you shake your hand at a certain stage, you'll see the angle like this. So if that happened, you could click this one, and in the angle box, you put 360. Okay, press return, you have the groove. If you manage not shaking hand, you get the 360. It's the same way. You also can click this one to get 360. Okay, after that one, you just click on the screen, and then click the finish. It's all done, apart from the chamfers and the rounds. You need to do that yourself. This is the end of this video.